In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage WooCommerce orders and customize customer emails in WordPress. To get started, sign into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll control both your store orders and the email notifications your customers receive. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to WooCommerce and then click Orders. This section gives you a full list of incoming and existing orders, making it the main place you'll use to monitor what customers have purchased. Open any order to review the details carefully. Here you can check the customer information, the products included in the purchase, the payment method, the shipping details, and the current order status. Taking a moment to review this page is important because it helps you confirm that everything looks correct before the order moves forward. It's also useful for spotting special notes or delivery information that may need attention. As the order moves through processing and fulfillment, update the order status accordingly. Keeping the status accurate helps you stay organized and ensures the customer experience is consistent. It also makes it easier to track where each order stands, especially when you're handling multiple purchases at once. Next, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Emails tab. This is where you can adjust the look and identity of the emails your store sends automatically. Start by updating the sender name and sender email address so your messages appear professional and recognizable to customers. Make sure these details reflect your business branding clearly. After that, add your logo to the email header. This helps your order emails feel more polished and aligned with your store identity. You can also customize the email colors and footer text to match your brand. Small visual details like these can make your communication feel more trustworthy and consistent. Once your basic email branding is set up, place a test order so you can preview the customer emails for yourself. This step is very helpful because it lets you see exactly what your customers will receive. If something looks off, you can go back and make adjustments before real customers are affected. When needed, personalize the order confirmation message to better match your store's tone or provide useful details. This can be especially helpful if you want to set expectations around shipping, delivery, or next steps after purchase. If you need more advanced customization, you can edit the email template files. This should only be done when the built-in settings are not enough, since template editing usually requires more care to avoid breaking the layout or functionality. Finally, once an order has been fulfilled, mark it as completed. This triggers WooCommerce to send the completion email to the customer, letting them know their order has been fully processed. And that's how to manage WooCommerce orders and customize your customer emails efficiently.